Okay, so we got a Trane. Let's see what it is. XL14i, 2006. Just checked power. We had nothing, so I went inside, reset the breaker. So we'll plug this in. See the fans working, not the compressor. So we're gonna test these capacitors here. I like the job the last guy did. You ever heard of plumber's tape? Like, come on, dude. Look at that. Well, so we'll secure this a bit more. It's probably a back capacitor, so we'll test it. The last guy that was here, you know, probably needed a 60 for the compressor, but it's probably a 5 microfarad. That's probably what's behind here. And he just didn't have it, so he piggybacked it off of here. So, you know, you really, if you don't have it, I always check these service information. It actually tells you what capacitor originally took. It's probably a 60. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 65 4-ton capacitor around 60 microfarad around to TTX 4048. Yeah, so it is a 60 plus 5. So we'll just get rid of this, and we'll just have a main capacitor. Then we'll add a hard start to it. All right, back in a bit. All right, we got the parts. Let's put them in. All right, take this tape off. Run Cat Bandit, like anti-DIY likes to say. One of the channels I watch. Check his channel out. Anti-DIY is his older guy from the East Coast, I think in Carolinas, and does good work. He's always working on trains, and every time someone puts together a run cap like this, he calls it the Run Cat Bandit, which is kind of funny. All right. So we don't need this cap, so you know, we're just gonna pull it out, throw it away, get rid of this piggyback wire because we don't need it. All right, orange is hermetic. Alright, let's unmount this guy. There's a drill. There it is. Didn't let it drop. Let's get that screw. First, get rid of the old capacitor. Set this one here. Get our screw already preset because I am doing this with one hand for your enjoyment. Alright, let's see. Okay, let's see the best way. Let's get this in. I like the fist of the label outwards. Let's see if we can get this to stay. Nope. Alright. Alright, let's just get this going real quick. get a brown for the fan, red for common, purple is your outdoor fan motor common, so we'll do that to common, and then orange is hermetic for the compressor. Alright, mount this. And we got the hard start kit mounted, no more tape. You take this straight yellow one, and that goes and mixes with the hermetic. There. Red is pretty universal for common. You just stick that on your common leg. There. And then this one, the black, actually goes to the contactor up here where the compressor common is. So let's make some room back here. Move this over real quick. There it is. Alright. Start it up. We gotta go turn the power back on and close that contactor. There's the compressor. She's alive. Alright. Let's check some pressures. Alright. R22 system. Pressures look okay. It's pretty cold in the house. It's, I don't know, about 65 degrees. 60 degrees in the house. But it's looking alright. Alright. On to the next one.